Welcome back to Gardening Glory. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. Bonfire Patio Peach Tree Care. If you're a fan of juicy, homegrown peaches but don't have a lot of space, the Bonfire Patio Peach Tree might be the perfect solution for you. In this video, we'll walk you through all the essential care tips to ensure your Bonfire Patio Peach Tree thrives and produces delicious peaches. But before we can dive into the care tips, let's get to know the plant. Bonfire Patio Peach Tree is a specific variety of dwarf or miniature peach tree. These trees are bred to be compact in size, making them suitable for small gardens, patios, or even containers on balconies. The Bonfire variety, in particular, is known for its ornamental value and is sometimes grown for its beautiful reddish-purple foliage as well as its fruit. If you want to have these beauties in your home, here are some tips to help you grow them successfully. Tip 1. Selecting the right location. The first step in caring for your Bonfire Patio Peach Tree is choosing the right location. These miniature peach trees are perfect for small spaces, patios, or balconies. They require at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily, so pick a sunny spot with good drainage. Tip 2. Planting your tree. When it comes to planting, make sure you choose a well-draining soil mix. Dig a hole slightly larger than the root ball of your tree, and plant it at the same depth as it was in the container. Water thoroughly after planting to settle the soil. Tip 3. Watering. Proper watering is essential for the health of your Bonfire Patio Peach Tree. Water deeply but infrequently, allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Be mindful not to overwater, as peach trees are susceptible to root rot. Tip 4. Fertilizing. Fertilize your tree in the spring with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer. Follow the package instructions, and avoid over-fertilizing, as it can harm your tree. Additionally, consider using a high-phosphorus fertilizer to promote fruit development. Tip 5. Pruning. Pruning is crucial to maintain the shape and size of your Bonfire Patio Peach Tree. In late winter or early spring, prune away dead or diseased branches and thin out crowded growth. This will improve air circulation and sunlight penetration, leading to healthier fruit production. Tip 6. Pest and disease control. Keep an eye out for common peach tree pests like aphids, peach leaf curl, and brown rot. Use organic pest control methods or consult with your local nursery for appropriate treatments. Tip 7. Thinning fruits. As your Bonfire Patio Peach Tree begins to produce fruit, thinning is essential. Remove excess fruit to allow the remaining peaches to grow larger and reduce the risk of branches breaking under the weight. Tip 8. Winter care. In colder climates, protect your tree from frost by wrapping it in burlap or using frost blankets. Mulch around the base of the tree to insulate the roots during the winter months. And that's it for our Bonfire Patio Peach Tree care tips. With the right location, proper watering, fertilizing, and a little pruning, you can enjoy delicious, homegrown peaches right on your patio or balcony. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with Bonfire Patio Peach Trees, please leave a comment below. Happy gardening!